the Bumper Guy, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the newly released BumperBully Flex. Whether you park on the street or at the shopping mall, your car is like a sitting duck. So why chance it? Protect it with the BumperBully 2-in-1 license plate frame front bumper guard. The BumperBully Flex is our #1 pick for front bumper protection. The BumperBully Flex is a sculpted masterpiece of design and function. Its stealth design blends in with any vehicle style. The BumperBully Flex is made from a proprietary foam polymer that's flexible and super tough. It won't crack like cheap plastic frames or bend out of shape like a metal frame. It serves as a front bumper guard when needed to absorb minor parking-related impacts. It absorbs shock and cushions impacts. It's resilient and compresses to absorb impacts and then returns back to its original shape. Bad weather? No problem. The BumperBully Flex was designed for outdoor use. It can withstand both hot and cold temperatures. Stays flexible even after being frozen in this block of ice. The BumperBully Flex is 13.75 inches wide, 8 inches tall, and 1.75 inches thick. Best of all, the BumperBully Flex comes ready to install with 4 number 14 1-inch screws and 4 M6 1-inch bolts. Simply load your plate from the front and fasten to your vehicle. Attach with either 2 or 4 fasteners. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Please check out the full line of BumperBully accessories, including the new BumperBully Carbon wraparound rear bumper guard and the new BumperBully Air stick-on corner guards. Got questions? Please reach out. We are always happy to help.